Today's topic is antonyms. Antonyms are simply those words. Two words are said to be antonyms if they have opposite meanings. Antonym is a word that has an opposite meaning to the given word. For example, happy, sad. Happy is the word, its antonym, its opposite will be sad. Now, another example here is the word is tall. What will be the opposite of tall? The answer is short. The opposite of tall is short. Let's come to the next one. What do you think are the what do you think are the antonyms here? The antonyms here are the pair is young and old. The word is young, its opposite is old. Let's come to the next pair of words. What do you think are the antonyms here? There are two pairs of words that you can use here. Either you can say that this is messy and clean, or you can say that this is disorganized, meaning everything is all over the place, nothing is at its own place, or you can say that it is organized, right? There are two pairs of words that we can use here. Let's come to the next slide. Okay, what do you think are the words here? The answer here will be thick and thin. This pencil, one pencil is really thick, okay, it's very wide in size, and the other is very thin, right? So the opposites here will be, the antonyms here will be thick and thin. Let's come to the next slide. Okay, what do you think are the opposites? What do you think are the antonyms here? There are two sets of antonyms that can come here. Either and both are correct, by the way. Either you can say that it is fast and slow, or you can say that it is left and right, because in the picture if you see the two characters, they are going in opposite directions also. The directions are also opposite, the speed is also not the same. So you can, both of the answers are correct, that they are going fast and slow, and that they are going left and right is also correct. Both the answers are right. So in the next slide, you have another picture here. What do you think are the antonyms here? The antonyms here are small and large, right? This is a small sized cup, and then there is a large sized cup. So big and small is also fine. Small and large is also fine. Okay? Let's come to the next slide. What do you think are the antonyms here? All right. The answer here will be poor and rich. There is a person with empty pockets, and then there is a person with a huge sack of money, a huge sack of coins. So the answer will be poor and rich. All right, let's come to the next slide. What do you think will be the antonyms here? See, the answer here will be complicated and simple. If you look here and the first and the picture on the top, that is a very difficult sum. It has a lot of steps and a lot of it's not simple, so that will be complicated or difficult. That is complicated, and the next one is very simple. Okay, complicated and simple, or difficult and easy, like that. Let's come to the next slide. What do you think will be the antonyms here? So the answer is thick, fat and thin, or fat and slim. Okay, these are the opposites. Now, again, just for your revision, what are antonyms? We say that two words are antonyms or opposites when they have opposite meaning to each other. Okay, antonyms are those words that have completely opposite meanings to each other. And that is our lecture for today.